What if electricity had never existed? Not just for a day, not for a year, but forever. Imagine waking up in a world where there are no light bulbs, no phones, no computers, no refrigerators, no electric trains, and no power lines stretching across the land. But this wouldn't simply mean living without modern technology. It would mean humanity developed in a completely different direction. To understand this world, we have to go back to the beginning, when humans lived with almost nothing but fire, stone, wood, and their own hands. In the primitive era, darkness wasn't something you could switch off. When the sun disappeared, the world became truly dark. Early humans would gather around a fire because fire was more than warmth. It was their light, their protection, and their way to cook food. Without electricity, this dependence on fire would continue for thousands of years. Villages would be built around reliable sources of wood and water, and nights would be short because there would be little reason to stay awake after the flames began to die. But here's where things get interesting. Without electricity, humans wouldn't necessarily remain primitive forever. They could still invent. They could still discover mathematics, medicine, engineering, astronomy, and mechanical machines. Instead of electric motors, people might depend heavily on gears, pulleys, springs, water wheels, windmills, and steam engines. Imagine a world where cities are powered by rivers instead of power plants, where enormous mechanical systems turn continuously to move elevators, pumps, factories, and transportation. Communication would also take a completely different path. Without telephones or the internet, messages might travel through runners, horses, ships, optical signals, flags, mirrors, or enormous networks of mechanical communication stations. A message that takes seconds today might take hours, days, or even weeks. And that creates a strange question. What would happen during an emergency? If a distant city needed help, there would be no instant phone call, no radio broadcast, and no emergency notification. Information itself would become precious. Governments would need huge networks of messengers and signal towers just to keep their territories connected. Medicine would also develop differently. Without electric scanners, electronic monitoring, modern laboratory equipment, or electrically powered hospitals, doctors would have to rely much more heavily on observation, mechanical instruments, chemistry, and simple surgical tools. Some modern medical breakthroughs might still happen, but many would arrive much later or perhaps never. And then there is food. Without electric refrigerators and freezers, humans would depend on methods that ancient people already understood: drying, smoking, salting, fermenting, pickling, storing underground, and using ice where nature provided it. Cities would need enormous systems for bringing fresh food in constantly. But the biggest change might not be technology. It might be the way humans live. Without electric lighting, the night would control human schedules far more strongly. Streets would be lit by candles, oil lamps, or gas lamps. Wealthy neighborhoods might shine brightly, while poorer areas could remain almost completely dark. Factories could operate using water, wind, animals, steam, or human labor, but production would be slower and more expensive. Travel would also feel completely different. There could still be ships, railways, bicycles, horses, steam-powered vehicles, and mechanical aircraft, but transportation would probably be slower, noisier, and less convenient. Crossing an ocean might still take days or weeks. Crossing a continent could become a major journey rather than a routine trip. Now, imagine the modern world at night. No glowing skyscrapers, no headlights stretching down highways, no illuminated advertisements, no screens lighting people's faces. From space, Earth might look almost completely black, except for natural fires and perhaps scattered lamps. And here's the strange part. Humans might become far more comfortable with darkness. Children would grow up knowing the stars instead of city lights. People would navigate by the moon, constellations, landmarks, and natural signals. Astronomy might even become an even more important part of everyday culture. But there would be a darker side. Without electricity, many things we consider basic today could become rare or impossible. Clean water systems would be harder to maintain. Sewage treatment would be more difficult. Large-scale hospitals would struggle. Industrial production would be limited. Modern agriculture would be far less productive without electrically powered machinery. pumps, refrigeration, and global supply chains. A major disaster could therefore become much more dangerous because societies would have fewer ways to respond quickly. So, would humanity survive? Absolutely. But humanity would look completely different. Instead of building a civilization based on electricity and electronics, we might build one based on mechanical power, fire, water, wind, steam, and human skill. Our greatest engineers might design enormous machines powered by rivers. Our greatest inventors might create mechanical computers instead of electronic ones. Our cities might sound like gears, bells, horses, steam engines, and flowing water instead of traffic and electric motors. And perhaps the strangest possibility is this: we might not think of electricity as something we were missing at all. We would simply consider our mechanical world normal. The things we call impossible today might be ordinary to them, while our modern electric civilization would seem like science fiction. So, the next time you turn on a light with a single switch, remember how extraordinary that tiny action really is. For most of human history, darkness was unavoidable. Communication was slow. Food couldn't simply be stored for months, and machines depended directly on muscles, wind, water, or fire. Electricity didn't just give humans power, it completely changed what humans believed was possible. And without it, our entire civilization might have followed a path we can barely imagine.